Hello! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. If you've always wanted to understand this digital universe but found it complicated, you're in the right place. Let's explore together, clearly and directly, from the origin of Bitcoin to the technology behind it, the blockchain. Did you know that Bitcoin emerged in 2008? It was created by an individual or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. The idea was revolutionary, a digital, decentralized currency that doesn't need banks or governments to operate. This opened up a world of possibilities for financial transactions, making them faster, safer, and without intermediaries. But how does it work? The answer lies in the blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Imagine the blockchain as a public and immutable ledger that records all transactions. Each block of information is connected to the previous and the next, forming a chain. This ensures the security and transparency of transactions, as altering any information would require modifying all subsequent blocks, which is practically impossible. Bitcoin was not only the first but also the most famous example of blockchain usage. This paved the way for other cryptocurrencies and uses of the technology, turning Bitcoin into a true milestone in digital history. But why is Bitcoin so revolutionary? It offers a completely digital form of money that can be sent and received anywhere in the world at any time, without the need for intermediaries. This not only speeds up transactions but also makes them more accessible to people in places without access to traditional banking systems. So, what do you think? We're just beginning to uncover the potential of Bitcoin and the blockchain. If you're as fascinated as I am by this new world, let's continue exploring together. What more would you like to know?